Hey there friends, Nibs again. Out here in the garage doing a little bit of goofing around tonight and I wanted to do another head-to-head challenge for you guys. This one is, I thought about this one. My friend Jesse B at Jesse B Outdoors just got one of these Smith & Wessons. I think his was a 78G, which is actually the 22 version. Mine is a 79G, which is the 177 version. He said it needs a reseal. I told him I would do it for him, or he asked me where he could get the seal kits. And we're going to be putting that up against my Crosman Mark 1, which is actually the 22 version of the Crosman gun. And they had a Mark 2, which was the 177 version. And we're going to shoot this across the garage. Both of these have brand new CO2s in them. I was just out here playing around with both of them, and they both ran out as I was playing around. So we're going to go ahead and shoot my new little knockdown target, and we're going to go through them, and whichever one takes the least amount of shots will be the winner of this head-to-head challenge. The 79G is the newest one in the garage here, so we're going to go ahead and shoot that one first. Let's see. I don't know what order I want to go in. Let's see. I'll see if I can hit the turkey first. Yep. If I run through them all right down the row with both of them, I'll keep going until I miss one. Let's see if we can knock down the pig. Yep. Alrighty. Get the ram. No problem. Both of these they're very similar in function and form and everything, so I thought it would be a really good head-to-head challenge. I'd like to get the one miss. I would like, so there's a 78G, which is the 22 version. I'd like to get that for the Smith & Wesson, and then the Mark II, which is the 177 version of the Crosman. Eventually I'd like to have the whole set, I guess. Oh, forgot to cock it. Oh, I hit it, but it didn't go down. So, I think I hit it real low. Ooh, chicken is proven tough. So that was 6 shots so far, right? There he is. All right, 7 shots is the number to beat. So I just grab my parachute cord here, flip them all back up. Really nice. Don't have to. I don't mind so much going down range, but I don't like chasing them all over the garage too. I've had a couple of them go flying behind my cabinets and stuff, and really hard to get at. So, all right, let's see. I should probably go in the same order just to make it fair. So let's get the turkey first. Ooh. Huh. I was able to hit him earlier. Yikes. Gun's camera shy. There he is. Wow. Not looking good for the Crosman. All right, maybe so that was 4 to hit the first one. That's not good. All right. Maybe he knocked away his jitters. Oop. I'm using the Crosman Premier Hollow Points for both of these. 7.9s and 14.3s. All right, so let's see. If I knock the chicken down in one shot, then we will have a tie score so far. Ooh, I hit him and spun him sideways. Let me go take a look at that real quick. Stand by. Alrighty, well, it spun it sideways. I'm going to call that a good hit. It should have knocked him down, but so I guess we'll have a. Ooh, looks like I spun the turkey. Looks like I'm going to have to do a little bit of. So on the smaller animals, I only put one screw in each one so far. Looks like they're going to need. Looks like they're going to need some doubling up on those screws. So that was, I'm going to call that a tie. So we're going to continue on. And we'll see if we can get a tiebreaker here. For me, the 79G seemed to be more consistent as far as shooting targets, paper targets. But when I was practicing, I didn't have any problem going 4 for 4 with either one of them. And I think it was me that's camera shy, not the guns. All right, 4 for 4 with the Smith & Wesson. Let's see if we spun any of those guys around. No, they're all straight. All right. So let's see if I can do the same thing with the Crosman now. Okay. Turkey. Nope. There you go. Nope. Got my my daily spam call from somewhere in. But anyway, tiebreaker is taken care of. The Smith & Wesson could not have well, unless I knocked more than one down with one shot. But so the Crosman lost that round, so the Smith & Wesson won this head-to-head challenge. Both of them are pretty cool gold guns. Smith & Wesson would have been from the 1970s, and the Mark I is an early Mark I, which would have made it early 60s. If they have this power adjuster on the front here, that means that it was a very early production Mark I. But anyway, there you go. There is my head-to-head challenge with the Smith & Wesson 79G, shooting with my knockdown silhouettes. I did figure out one other thing too. Let me grab that real quick and I'll show you. So when I first put it together, got the bar for setting them back up again with the spring in back, but I had the bottom part of the hinge, the piano hinge, going down the back side here, and that was not allowing the reset bar to go down far enough, and that's what all of the targets were. It was up like this, and they were coming up and hitting it and bouncing back up again. But now with the bottom of the hinge on the top of the 2x4 and set across the back, that reset bar can go down farther. And now none of them, they don't, at least I haven't had any problems. They fall down far enough that they don't have enough energy to bounce back up again. So there you go. That is pretty cool. And I'll drill some more holes and tap some more screws in there so they don't spin around on me anymore. But hope you guys liked the video. Till next time, have a great day.